Welcome to a calm beginning and a rhythm you can return to. Today's affirmation invites balance through the most natural movement you have. I breathe in peace. I breathe out blessing. Breath is always happening, whether you notice it or not. This affirmation simply brings awareness to what breath can carry. With each inhale, peace enters without resistance. With each exhale, something gentle is offered back to the world. You do not have to work to receive peace. You do not have to try to give blessing. Breath does both, quietly and faithfully. When you allow this rhythm, the body softens. The mind loosens its grip. You stop holding everything inside. Peace comes in. What no longer needs to stay moves out. This exchange restores balance without effort. Blessing does not mean perfection or positivity. It means allowing your presence to move outward without tension. Calm has a way of touching what surrounds you. Even when nothing is said, as your day unfolds, let this affirmation meet you when stress appears, when you feel tight or reactive. Pause. Breathe in peace. Breathe out blessing. Let breath do what thinking cannot. Here's your daily habit for today. Take 5 conscious breaths today, pairing calm on the inhale with release on the exhale. Carry these companion affirmations with you. Peace moves easily through my breath, and what I offer flows naturally from calm. Thank you for beginning your day with AM. Inspiration and choosing rhythm over strain. May today be guided by breath that receives peace and releases blessing. Win the morning. Win the day.